All right, I like to do 1 or 2 videos about my funnel system every day, okay? And just tell you about my progress, the income that it's generated, any tips or tricks. All right, is there any gossip? Hey, man, how do you use a funnel system and make $1 million a minute, you know? But I just hope that you look into this opportunity that I'm going to invite you to, okay? First of all, please watchvideo.com, okay? When you click that link, you're going to watch a short video. It's entertaining, it's fun, and you can see exactly what I do. It's the best way for me to just sit back and accurately show you what I do, because the produced video, it has testimony, it shows your screen, and it's kind of fun. It's produced to be entertaining as well. My videos like this, I like to just talk to you like you're sitting here at my radio station, or we're sitting on the couch or the patio. Maybe we're sitting by a pool real quick, just enjoying the sun or the sunset and talking about business. Okay? More relaxed setting. I get more done and I feel better communicating when I can just sit back and relax with you guys and just talk freely about stuff. Okay? So first thing I should do is, and people like visuals, there's no doubt about it. People like to see business cards or maybe something on the screen. You can see a couple opportunities that I do. The first one is LIVEGOOD, okay? Depending on when you watch this video, it could be 10 years in advance, but right now I'm quite successful in LIVEGOOD. So what I did is I bought that domain name, joincory.com, okay? Now, LIVEGOOD's awesome. I have almost 400 people signed up just in LIVEGOOD. I got five other businesses that complement LIVEGOOD, including this funnel system I'm going to show you. But almost 400 people have signed up just by going to joincory.com. Okay? And it's okay. It's good. It's a good business. I love LIVEGOOD. I'm not going anywhere. But it pays $25 if you sign up with LIVEGOOD today. And I get that every Thursday. Okay? LIVEGOOD pays once every Thursday. Now, my funnel system, okay, it pays every Monday. Okay, so if you do go to pleasewatchvideo.com and you join my funnel system, I just like to talk about money in the beginning of my videos, because then you can see, is it worth your while, okay, to join LIVEGOOD or my funnel system. I think both are excellent, and they're both very affordable. They're not high ticket where you got to go finance and sell your soul to rock and roll and get your credit card out or go into your kids' piggy bank. Okay, I don't like to do business like that. All right, with LIVEGOOD you can get in for $49.95, and with my funnel system it's $49. Okay, so you save $9 or 95 cents. But anyway, pleasewatchvideo.com. I want you to go to that link and watch the video, and I wouldn't mind you even going directly to joincory.com and you can see what I do. Now, remember this, $25 if you sign up directly to LIVEGOOD with joincory.com. With my funnel system, people can still join LIVEGOOD, but there's 3-4 other opportunities where you guys might want to look into paid traffic that you want to send to your funnel, and then have people search around the funnel and look at LIVEGOOD. They can look at educational courses for sale. And like I said, you can buy traffic. All right. Other than that, boy, it doesn't get any better. Okay. So now you also have another opportunity to buy email program, to where every day you can get 100 to 200 email leads. They're coming to you. They want you to send them business opportunities. Okay. And for $1 a day, $30 a month, you get 100 to 200 a day. So 3,000 to 6,000. All right. So people like to have things in front of them that complement, like going to the salad bar. Sure, you get some lettuce, but isn't it cool if you put cheese and olive and croutons and ranch or Thousand Island? I mean, everybody has their favorite dressing and their favorite way to dress up a salad. But that's how I look at LIVEGOOD. It's a beautiful meal, but why not put some stuff on it that makes it nice and juicy and helps you be more successful, in my opinion. And I'll tell you, the $25 is nice, but the funnel system it can put $200 to $400 to $600 a day in my pocket. The last few days, by the time I get up in the morning, I've made about $200 to $400, all because of this pleasewatchvideo.com funnel system. Guys, before I get up, the money is there. That means people overnight, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the morning, maybe they live in New York or some other country, but people, they usually make a decision in the morning that they want a funnel system like this to help them in whatever business they're in. It doesn't have to be just Live Good or the ones that I do. That's why I like a funnel system. A funnel system that's already in turnkey mode. All you do is just fill in 2 businesses of your choosing. Me, I'm a big fan of my lead gen. I love Live Good. I love my legacy educational courses. Guys, I have an AI software opportunity too that just churns cash every single day. I mean, just on my Nowsite, what I guess you'd call it the web page, when I look at the affiliate pay, it's at $750 already. Just on one opportunity that people are buying no matter what, if I'm here or not. So why not make a few extra bucks by putting some businesses inside a funnel that people can look at? Of course, I want them to join Live Good first. That's my hub. But I want you to get the cheese and the ranch, and I love olives and croutons. I like to really dress up a salad. And my salads aren't healthy. I have so many calories on a salad, you can get fat eating my salads. Okay? When you hear salad, you usually think of low calories and losing weight. Not the way I dress up salads, and not the way I dress up Live Good. I overkill it. I want people to go insane with leads and traffic, clicks. I want people to get proper education. I want everything in one ecosystem, like iTunes, iPad, iPod. That's how I make Live Good. I put everything together so you can make a concerted decision just to see, do you need emails? And I hope you do. And if you want to do a video like this, awesome. But I'm a big fan of emails. Okay? So with pleasewatchvideo.com, I can just sit back and offer people whatever I choose. There's 4 incomes just on pleasewatchvideo.com's funnel system alone. 2 of them I choose. Now tomorrow, I can switch them out. They're not permanent. If I want to put in, let's say, Legacy and Live Good today, these are my 2 opportunities at kick butt that start with the letter L. Now tomorrow, let's say I just want to promote my email campaigns and my Nowsite AI artificial intelligence company. Well, I can just go into my funnel and take Live Good and Legacy out, just put them on the side burner and put in my other opportunities. Or I can get 2 funnels and go ahead and blast out just tons of emails and opportunities to just click and watch a short video and make a decision. Okay? So get excited, because if you're in Live Good, I think this can help you achieve your goal, which is to get signups every frickin' day. Okay? You can buy the Live Good products. That's awesome. But you know what? If you're an affiliate, you want people to go to the Live Good capture page, watch a short little video. And that's what I do directly if I just want to focus on Live Good. But like I said, it only pays me $25 if someone signs up. And that's awesome. But if they go through my funnel system, you or they might not only join Live Good, but they want to get an email opportunity to where they're paying $1 a day to get 3,000 to 6,000 email leads a month. Guys, that is so affordable and it kicks ass. Maybe you want some online education. Awesome. If you buy some, I get a little commission. Thank you. Okay. That's the beauty of a funnel. It can make you $200 to $400 to $600 a day, where Live Good, if you sign up, let's just say 10 people for the month, 10 times 25, do the math. It's a few $100 and some change. Okay. So I've become pretty darn good at this Live Good thing. But I would rather have people go to pleasewatchvideo.com to look into Live Good, because it's a shopping mall of other things that you might want to look into to help you if you're new, have zero experience. And plus with Live Good, you can't have paid traffic that goes directly to joincory.com. That's the official capture page where you put your name and email address in to sign up with Live Good. You can't put any type of paid lead, paid traffic into those capture pages, because half the time you buy traffic, they're junk and they clog up the server. And Live Good will turn off you being an affiliate. That's why they don't want paid leads going directly to your capture page. But if I have paid traffic going to my funnel, a robot, a bot, spam is not going to put their name, address, and go through 2 or 3 pages of learning about set opportunities. Okay? So by the time people get to Live Good in my funnel, it's a real person. By the time people get to my legacy program, you bet your buns, they're real people. And if they want the email opportunity, awesome. People get a hold of me, they say thank you, and I offer everybody 125 to 150 emails that have worked for me the last year and the subjects that go in the email. So you see what I mean? It's awesome because a lot of people have $100 or $200 a month or maybe $50 a month that they want just paid leads. They want people to just go and click and watch short videos and make a decision because they're working. They're moms, dads, stay-at-home families that just, it's crowded and it's noisy and people are driving them nuts and they're trying so hard to work a business, but they're like, you know what? I know how to make money. I have an extra $50, $100. I would rather just buy traffic that goes to the funnel system. And then tomorrow it's loud, crazy. They're, going on hiking, fishing trips. Maybe you got to go to Disneyland or something. But a lot of people have extra money to buy paid traffic. And good for them. Does paid traffic work? Definitely. Okay. You usually get a good, source. And right now, the source that I use, I think is pretty darn good. I get signups every single month, and I've been doing it well over a year, about a year and 2 months now. I don't recommend anything that doesn't make me money. Because if you sign up, I have a chance to make some money if you do. So I'm not going to invite you to something that doesn't work. Okay? I would rather have you successful and kicking butt, knowing that if you're making money, that I can make a little bit of money too. That's the beauty of reoccurring affiliate-based opportunities. Okay? But I only sell or recommend you buy software, techniques, tools, something that you can use as leverage, like a screwdriver, like a hammer. Okay? If you're a construction worker, you need tools to get your job done. In Live Good, you need more money in the beginning than $25. You just do. Otherwise, you're going to lose interest. Let's say you sign up 5 to 10 people a month. A couple $100 comes in with all that work. It's not enough. I would rather you making $200 a day. 200 times 30 days. Now that's some cake. You can start paying bills. You can start having a life if you can start making a few $100 a day. And like I said, this funnel system, usually by the time I get up to do the morning pee, I've already got a couple $100 already made. And it makes you feel good. You're like, God, I'm already ahead of the game. $200 is plenty for me right now per day. But by the time I get up, let's just say it's 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, it sure makes you feel darn good knowing that you've already made a few $100. Then another sale comes in. Someone might join my legacy program. Okay. I've sold 8 or 9 courses for $900 just through my funnel the last 10 days. Guys, I have $8,000. That's in my pocket. I have to pay tax on it. But I have about $7,500 to $8,000 that I've made. To be accurate, it's actually the last 12 days. $8,000 in 12 days. All through my funnel system. People just sat down, they relaxed, watched short videos, decided do they want to do this business or not, and then they made, I hope, and I recommend, in my opinion, the very smartest decision is to use a funnel system. Every business I do now is through a funnel system. And it's nothing more than inviting somebody to a link. In my case, pleasewatchvideo.com. Short little videos kind of explain the opportunity and online at the same time. Go to the next page just to make sure. And that weeds out all the spammy crap and all the fake people that, try to get a hold of you to sell you something. And usually by the third page, that's the meat and potato. Guys, thanks for watching the short little videos. We're on the third page. This is how much it costs if you want. You can finance this if you want. You can delete if you want. Or you can save this website and come back if you want. But it's all done by short little videos explaining everything and recruiting. Doing everything that you are not going to have time to do. And if you're making $200 a day and you know it, then you don't mind. Okay, but isn't it nice to know that there's videos that can do exactly what I'm doing right now? I don't have to make this video that I'm producing as you watch this live ever again. It's recorded. I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel. And if someone sees this video here, I don't know, 2025, today's, what is it? It's the end of October, 2024. It might be 2025, 2026. I don't know when you're going to watch this video, but it's satisfying to know that this video is just, it's out in YouTube's, air. It's just in the atmosphere floating around, and somebody might watch this darn video, and thank you if you have, and if you are, okay? But a funnel system, I'm a big fan. I wish I knew about funnel systems when I started doing this type of business, March of 2023. That was about a year and a half ago. Now that I have a funnel, which is so easy to do, okay, home run. So please watch video.com, and you can see exactly what I do. If you need help setting it up, there's massive customer support. Massive. They will help you get configured, or if you have questions, there's training videos that are just awesome. Okay. I love the owner too. Greg is awesome. Mandy, who runs customer support in Canada, just kick ass. But a funnel system is needed. It's just needed. I'm speaking with experience now. I'm not so new that I just have to watch other people's videos and kind of trust what they're saying. As I sit here calm, cool, and collected, I'm telling you, if you have a funnel system in whatever opportunity you're doing, you're going to have a massive advantage over people that just say, oh, guys, just go to the opportunity and join. You're like, join what? And who's Cory and what? And I got more questions. Let's just slow down. Funnel. Okay. Let me show you the card one more time. Sometimes it's easier just to visualize. Please watch video.com, guys. Okay. Pretty darn simple. All right. My work is done. And Cory at CoryDraper.com is my email address. You get a hold of me anytime you kids want. I'll help you out for sure. Peace and love. Repeat after me. I love funnel systems. And please watch video.com. All right. High five. You guys have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Peace. Boom.